Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Claude AI to Roblox Studio. So if you want to use Claude AI with your Roblox project, follow along step by step and I'll show you how to set everything up. Alright, let's dive in. Before we start, make sure you have Claude Desktop and Roblox Studio installed on your computer, and make sure you're signed in to both applications. Once you're ready, let's get started. First, open Roblox Studio. Then either create a new experience or open an existing project. Once your project is open, look at the top right corner and click the AI Assistant icon. When the menu appears at the bottom, click the three-dot menu, and from the options that appear, select Manage MCP Servers. A pop-up window will appear. First, make sure MCP is enabled. Then go to the Setup Instructions section. Click the drop-down arrow to expand it. Find the JSON configuration file and then click Copy icon. This copies the configuration we need to connect Roblox Studio with Claude. Next, open Claude Code on your computer. In the bottom left corner, click your profile picture, then select Settings.